Okay, so now when you open the site, the first place to go is view my earnings. So you go to view my earnings, then you will find three options. That's sell my data, guarantee sales, and refer and earn. So what you have to do is go to sell my data. That's where you go and subscribe to your sell data service. Now you have my status and close account. Don't dare and press close account or else you will delete your account. Very soon we will request for a change because the place this thing is not advisable. Someone can easily delete his account. So what you have to do is you will see three options. Me like this, I've completed all the three. That's this side, this, and this. I've completed it, but for you, you haven't. So uh, it will show that this is step one, step two, and step three. So what you have to do is the first step is my data profile. So you have to press there, you press there and complete it. So you'll be asked various questions, so you have to complete it, then you save and continue till you are done. So when you are done with that side, that's when you come to update, that's browser extension. That's where you download the extension. So you press there, and depending on the device you are using, so if you are using Windows, you download any of this. If you are using Android, you make sure that you have the QE browser installed before you download the extension. You understand? So you download the QE browser, then you download the extension. If you are using iOS, then you download this extension. If you are using Mac, you download this extension. So when you are done with the downloading of the extension, I sent a video on how to install it. You understand? I sent a video on how to install it, but uh yeah, I can demonstrate it here together. So let's go. So let's go to extensions here. Then after downloading it, then you press this side, you press that side. So here, then you go to files. Okay, then the next thing is uh go to, let me see, I want to go to download, so I'll find it easily. Let me see. Let me search. 5 billion sales. So this is my extension. So I'll just press on it. Okay, you see I've installed my browser extension. So after that, what you do is you disable the developer mode. You disable it. So I'm done. So all I have to do is just leave this side. What's the name? Go back to my page. So I'm done with that side. So the last step is step 3. That one you have to what? Now that I've installed the browser, the extension, I will now browse the internet. So you can open Google. Oh, I said Google. You just open Google on the QE browser. You open Google on the QE browser.